Hello, today I will be providing a tutorial on how to unapply a payment from an invoice on Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. To do this, we can head over to the customer we are interested in. From the customer card, we can click Customer and then Ledger Entries to see a list of all the customer's ledger entries. From the list of ledger entries, we can find the payment we wish to unapply. An applied payment will always have a remaining amount that is less than the original amount. Now that we have identified the payment we wish to unapply, we can click Unapply Entries. Thereafter, we can click the invoice we wish to unapply the payment from, and then click Unapply. Business Central will send us a message that the payment has been successfully unapplied, and we can confirm this by noticing that the remaining amount is now equivalent to the original amount of the payment.